What's up, YouTube? MrPackRipper here, and we're back with another box opening. In this one, we're going kaboom hunting. We have brand new 2022 Absolute Football Fat Packs. I was able to secure this nice and early. What do you think? 4 packs? We'll open 4 for now. I don't want to make the video too long, but I will open the rest of these with you. Save these. So, we got a full box, 20 cards per pack, 12 packs, if you can see that. 12 packs. Paid $90 for this, $99 with shipping. Okay, each pack, unwrapped 3 green parallels, 20 cards per pack. Let's see if he says anything about kabooms. Okay, it does not. I also have blasters coming of this. So, let's dig in. Wish me luck. Alright. Cousins, Barkley, Grenard, Josh Jacobs, Schultz, Justin Jefferson, Daniel Jones, Mills. Alright. And Dak Prescott. Here come the rookies. Wheel, Cook, Jordan Davis, Mac Jones backup, Trubisky, Lamar Jackson, David Bell, and a Jamar Chase stargazing. All right. First pack down. Nothing particularly special. Fournette, Trubisky, Jerry Jeudy, Amari Cooper. There's a Brady, Cam Akers, Trey Lance, second year. Brown. There's a Mac Jones, second year. Here come the rookies. Sanders, Booth Jr., Matt Corral, out for the season. What we got here? All right, Jonathan Taylor. Here come more rookies. Kittle, Draft Diamonds. Oh, Sauce Gardner by Storm. And garbage. Okay, next pack. There's a Kels, Najee Harris, second year. I hate having to turn these over. There's a Jamar Chase, second year. I'll be listing a bunch of these on eBay. Okay, here come the rookies. Johnson, Christian Watson, Hassan Haskins. Okay, there's a Fournette, Donald. Okay, Elam. And we got a Sam Howell by Storm. And we got a Desmond Rider introductions. All right, put this one here. Did I look at these? I did. Okay. All right. Surtain. Nick Chubb, DJ Moore, Waddle's second year, James Conner, CeeDee Lamb, Mike Evans, Michael Carter, Deebo Samuel, David Montgomery. Here come the rookies. Thornton, Shakar, Austin III, Sam Williams, Kenneth Walker III. Good rookie card. Real good rookie card. I like Kenneth Walker the third. I think he's going to be good. I mean, a lot of people, they don't like running backs, but what can you do? Some of them are good. Micah Parsons, A.J. Brown. Likely James Pierre, last call, and Dalvin Cook, stargazing. All right. So what we'll do is we'll put a cherry on top. We'll open one more for you guys. All right. Alexander, Josh Allen, Derrick Henry, Nick Bolton, Carson Wentz. Sorry. You guys go over here. Miles Sanderson, Miss Sanders, Michael Pittman, Justin Herbert, Mariota. Okay, here come the rooks. David Bell, Sam Howell. Okay, Travis Kelce, Najee Harris, and here come more rookies. Thornton, Terrell Davis, Diamond Drafts, Kenneth Walker II by storm, and Breece Hall. Introductions. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Absolute football. Not a great rip, but we have more. And I will open those with you in the next video. I might actually have the blasters by then. And if I do, I'll go with the blasters. But we'll try to do another video with the fat packs. We still have 8 left. Until next time, take care. God bless. Pack Ripper out.